what I'm about to show you right now is going to be a game changer for you, especially if you're trying to get 1,000 subscribers and monetize your YouTube channel. I will show you how I did it in 3 days and how you are going to do the same thing and get your 1K subscribers in 3 days. The funny thing is that I'm not supposed to make this video public. I was planning to add it to my YouTube cash cow course, but I changed my mind and decided to make it public so everybody can benefit from it. Again, the channel I use this strategy to monetize is actually a new channel, not this particular one. I have many faceless YouTube channels which I use the same strategy to monetize. I am not the only person this strategy has worked for. It has worked for some of my students, especially this guy who used this same strategy to get over 350k sub to his YouTube channel. Before I go ahead and show you these strategies, please kindly tap on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let me give you a few seconds to do that. Subscribe. Thanks for doing that. Now let's proceed. The first strategy is to post YouTube shorts on your YouTube channel daily. YouTube shorts tend to go viral more often than long-form content. In my case, I only posted 3 YouTube shorts and they went viral, gaining me over 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days. The catch is that not all types of YouTube shorts go viral. You need to post content that's currently trending. Want to know something? I will show you the exact type of shorts I posted that went viral. It's the same type of shorts one of my students posts, the one that has over 350k subscribers. However, for safety reasons, I won't reveal either his YouTube channel or mine. So here is my YouTube homepage. Let's navigate to this shorts section. So this is the exact types of shorts I posted. AI generated content. It might sound surprising, but these are the types of videos people enjoy watching these days. AI generated content, that is videos made with AI. So you can see this video was generated with AI. So let's check out his YouTube channel to get more information. So as you can see, this channel currently has 466k subscribers and he just posted 7 videos. As you can see here, the videos are getting a lot of views. You can see the first one he posted got 79 million views. The second one got 4.8 million views. Then the third one got 1.5 million. You can see he just posted 7 videos and all of them went viral. So let's go ahead and check when this channel was created. You can see this channel was created on 5th November 2024, which means this channel was created this particular month. So it was created this month. Today is 30th November 2024 and this channel was created on 5th November 2024 and it currently has 86 million views. As you can see, this particular strategy is actually working. So, and I'm sure that this channel has been monetized. So you can do your research, you can research trending AI generated content and replicate what those creators are doing. For instance, you can search AI generated shorts on YouTube. AI generated shorts. So you can see all this content. This one is also generated with AI. So see, because this person has 1.31 million subscribers. So you can see it's getting a lot of views. So let's check out another one. You can see this one again, it's the same person. So you can see this one AI creator. So you can see 321k subscribers. And this channel was also created in this year. So you can see 23 April 2024. You can see, and it has been monetized. So this one is also another you can see another one. 2 million subscribers 2023, which was created on July 13, 2023. So we can see, I think he just posted. You can see this one. I think it's a new one that he posted just now. So if you go to the comments, you see that it was created today. You can see 3 minutes ago, and he made a comment 1 hour ago. So, and you can see that he's getting views, 60k views, 56k views, 127k views. So, and if you let's check something now, you can see this person is on. You can see that he was also posting long form content. You can see. Then I think he posts more, or he posts YouTube shorts more than long form content. So let's check another one. You can see this one, another one, 1.6 million. This one is quoted on January 2024. You can see it's getting a lot of views. You can see. Look at this one again. So this one was quoted on, I think this, you can see. So these are type of contents you can be posting, and you get yourself 1k subscribers within few days. So this one is Unique Cats. August. You see, this channel was created on 4th August 2024, and it's already monetized. You can see, and this channel has also received a verification badge. You can see it here, and this is basically getting a lot of views. I'm just posting AI generated content. This is another one. So all you have to do is just do your research, and you will get ideas of what to post. So in case you can't make this type of content, you can find similar videos on TikTok or Instagram and use them. All you have to do is download them, use CapCut and edit them a little, then post on YouTube. Let me give you an example. So just go ahead and download this and go to Instagram. But me, I prefer using TikTok. I'm still going to show you that one as well. So you can just go here and type something like AI generated content. And you go to where it says Reels. So you can see this one. All you have to do is just find one that has a lot of views. Just find the content that has a lot of views, like this one. So you can go ahead and tap on it. And if you like this one, you can go ahead and tap on this place, then copy link. Then you download this app. You go to your Play Store and download this app called Ink Saver. So you open it up. You open it. Once you open it, you're going to paste a link. So you see the link here, it says automatically paste. So all I have to do is it's currently downloading. So you see download successful. Understand? So you can use CapCut to edit it a little and then post. But like I told you before, I prefer using TikTok because TikTok can get a lot of content on TikTok more than Instagram. So come over here to the search bar, then search something like AI generated video. Type AI generated video. You see a lot of them. So you can see. So guys, this one has. That's this one. So you can see this one has lots of engagement. So I can go ahead and download this one. You can see. So there are a lot of AI generated content on TikTok. You can see it. You can see. Download any one of your choice. So you can see, yeah, a lot of them. So let's assume that I want to post this particular video. Just tap on this place. Then tap on copy link. Then I'll go to my browser. Then yes, this let me show you something. So you can download this video directly on TikTok. Like you can download it from here. You can see, you will see it says videos. But if you download it, this video is going to have TikTok watermark on it. So I don't want that. So if you want to download TikTok videos without TikTok watermark, you make use of this website called Snaptik. So once I copy the link, all you have to do is paste it here. Then tap on where it says download. So you see you see download option. So I always select this particular option, download HD. So you tap on download HD, so it downloaded to your phone. Then you can now edit it a little. You can edit it on CapCut. Just make little changes to it, maybe change the background song or something like that. Then you can go ahead and post it on TikTok. And whenever you are posting the video on TikTok, whenever you're posting it on TikTok, always make use of hashtags, so that it will make YouTube algorithm understand like where to push your video in. It will help YouTube algorithm suggest your videos to people that they feel like they will watch it. You understand? So you recommend your video to the right audience. So always make use of hashtag whenever you are uploading your shorts on YouTube. Let me show you that this particular one. You can see that this person used hashtags, and make sure that the hashtag is related to what you are posting. Like you see this person posted something that is related to animal. That's why you make use of this animal hashtag. You can see animal, fusion kingdom, then animal. You can see it here. So always make use of hashtags when you're posting your videos on YouTube. So another strategy is that if you're a small YouTuber, just comment below. Comment below to connect with others. This way, you can all help each other to reach your desired number of subscribers. I hope you understand what I mean. Comment below this video. Just drop a comment in the comment section to start connecting with other small YouTubers until you hit 1,000 subscribers. Lastly, if you're interested in my YouTube cash cow course, you'll find a link in the video description. Here is the interesting part. This is the course here, but here is the interesting part. I created this course months ago, but I kept it low-key because I didn't want the strategies to become oversaturated. Yeah, so I don't want everyone to have access to the information that I revealed there. Only a few people have had access to it so far. The course covers multiple strategies and tricks to help you get your channel. The course covers multiple strategies and tricks to help you get your channel monetized faster. I also shared methods to maximize your earnings on YouTube, even if you don't have millions of views or subscribers. Just go ahead and check out the landing page for all the details. I don't want to say anything here that might lead YouTube to block this video. So in case today is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, make sure you tap on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.